That burns my ass. I'll tell you what's really burning my ass. And it's this winter weather that's been hitting the Midwest region of the United States. Now I go to bed Christmas night, wake up the next morning, and there's a fucking foot of snow. And to top it all off, it's colder than a well digger's ass. I really feel bad for these poor bastards who are out there working on these road crews. I know it's keeping them busier than a three-legged cat burying shit. Fuck. I'm glad I'm not out there doing it. Because these roads, they're slicker than a fresh turd on a hot summer's day. And that really burns my ass. That burns my ass.